15 summer party ideas and themes, genius outdoor entertaining tips. Summer is here, which means it's officially time to kick back, relax and soak up the sun with your nearest and dearest. Sunny days and long nights call for projector movie nights, outdoor date nights, poolside hangs and long catch-ups around the fire pit. Make sure you're ready for every occasion this summer with these summer party ideas, and don't forget to check the links on the description below. 1. Roll around an outdoor bar cart. Load up a portable bar cart with all the makings for boozy summer cocktails, plus some ready-to-drink options for the kids on the run. Keep cups, stirrers and garnishes on the top shelf for easy access. 2. Serve up granita. Enter the easiest summer dessert ever. Once you blend water, sugar and chopped watermelon, freeze the mixture until it's firm. When guests need an instant chill, scoop the frozen mixture into paper cones. 3. Set up foldable lawn chairs. Foldable chairs are easy to move, so guests can tote them around from the lawn to the patio to the front porch. Before the party starts, scatter a few chairs around your yard, cozying them up with throw blankets and pillows. 4. Make an ice cream sandwich bar. Toast a pack of waffles and use them to sandwich ice creams, gelatos and sorbets. Roll each sandwich in melted chocolate, coconut, nuts or chocolate chips. 5. Decorate with live greenery. Instead of splashing out on single-use party decor, use what you already have to spruce up walls and fences. Affix flat-backed planters to siding or fence panels, then fill them with a variety of flowers, herbs and bold greens. 6. Put a summer twist on pizza. Stick to tradition while highlighting the season's best with this fresh take on a pizza pie. It's seriously easy to make. Spread a layer of ricotta on frozen puff pastry before topping it with an array of tomatoes, herbs and other spices. 7. Blend up frosty fruit slushies. Enjoy a refreshing slushie in minutes with only 4 ingredients. You'll need ice, water, frozen limeade and the frozen fruit of your choice. We are loving raspberries, peaches or mangoes for this drink. 8. Hang a backyard swing. Turning an empty backyard corner into paradise is easier than you may think. A colorful rug, a floating couch and plants pull together a space, but it'll be a porch swing that steals the show. 9. Make wine cubes. It's always a great time to have wine. Freeze your favorite wine in ice trays, about 1 ounce per cube, then pop 1 or 2 into a light pour to make your glass last longer. You can also add a few cubes to sparkling water to keep it light. 10. Have a melon mosaic appetizer. If you want to keep the cube trend going, transform an appetizer into a work of art. Arrange cubed watermelon, cucumber, beefsteak tomatoes, feta and halved cherry tomatoes into a grid. Then drizzle olive oil on top with a dash of salt, pepper and mint. 11. Create a plant stand cooler. Look around your yard and you'll discover anything can become a party accessory, like a plant stand. After emptying it out, fill it with plenty of ice to keep drinks chilled. And if you're feeling creative, fill latex balloons with water, freeze overnight on a baking sheet, and add them in with the drinks. 12. Enjoy time plum Moscow mules. That's right, your favorite drink just got better. Stir together vodka, lime juice, sliced plums and sprigs of fresh thyme in a pitcher. Gently stir in ginger beer before serving over ice. Remember to garnish with more plums and thyme. Cheers. 13. Rethink your hot dog toppings. Summer wouldn't be complete without hot dogs, but this year, we encourage you to remix your toppings in unexpected ways. You can thank us after trying one of these duos: Napa cabbage with scallions, purple cabbage and carrots, cucumbers and radishes. 14. Trim flatware containers. Help guests move through the buffet line quickly with grab-and-go silverware in decorated mason jars. Just tie ribbon remnants on a trio of vases and fill with reusable flatware. 15. Raise the bar. A beverage station separate from the food lets guests mix drinks and mingle. Stock the bar with cups, straws, to double as stirrers, and plenty of ice. A large metal pail will keep bottles and cans frosty, but consider an insulated cooler for extra cubes.